Hello students, welcome. Today we discuss 12th standard chemistry lesson 12 carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid. Topic benzoin condensation, Perkins reaction and Navier-Stokes reaction. Chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. So all naming reactions are very important in organic chemistry. In the last video discussed Claisen-Schmidt reaction, Cannizzaro reaction and its mechanism are discussed. In its continuation today we are going to discuss about a benzoin condensation. Aromatic aldehyde treatment with the aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide, benzoin is formed. Okay, so benzoin condensation involves the treatment of an aromatic aldehyde with the aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide. Okay, treatment of an aromatic aldehyde with aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide is called benzoin condensation. The product or hydroxyl ketone. Okay, in benzoin condensation, hydroxyl ketone is the product. Okay, right. Equation for benzoin condensation reaction: benzaldehyde react with the alcoholic potassium cyanide to form benzoin. Okay, in benzoin condensation, benzaldehyde are used. Okay, on treatment with the benzaldehyde with the alcoholic aqueous potassium cyanide to form benzoin. Equation: benzaldehyde 2 moles of benzaldehyde treatment with the alcoholic potassium cyanide. Okay, on heating to form benzoin. Okay, right. So this hydrogen migrate and join this carbonyl oxygen. Okay, then this shared pair of electrons combine to this carbonyl carbon. Okay, to form benzoin. Okay, name of this compound benzoin. Okay, IUPAC name of this compound same, benzoin. Okay, right. Benzaldehyde on treatment of an aromatic aldehyde with aqueous potassium cyanide is called benzoin condensation. In benzoin condensation, the product or hydroxyl ketone. Okay, so benzaldehyde treatment with the alcoholic potassium cyanide to form benzoin. Okay, is the example for benzoin condensation reaction. Then second one important naming reaction, Perkins reaction. Perkins reaction: when an aromatic aldehyde is heated with aliphatic acid anhydride in the presence of sodium salt of the acid corresponding to the anhydride, condensation takes place and an alpha beta unsaturated acid is obtained. Okay, so aromatic aldehyde is heated with an aliphatic acid anhydride in the presence of sodium salt of acid corresponding to the anhydride, condensation takes place. Okay, condensation takes place and alpha beta unsaturated acid is obtained in the Perkins reaction. Okay, so condensation between acidic anhydride and aromatic aldehyde to form alpha beta unsaturated acid, right? This reaction is known as Perkins reaction. Equation for this reaction: benzaldehyde treated with a benzaldehyde treated with acetic anhydride acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate, the presence of sodium acetate to forms alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, in this reaction water molecules are eliminated. Okay, one carbonyl oxygen combined with the hydrogen of methyl group in acetic anhydride to form water molecules. So water molecules is eliminated in this reaction. Okay, water molecules is eliminated to form alpha beta unsaturated acid, right? So to form an intermediate, in this intermediate further condense to forms alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, right? So in this acid, this is the functional group COOH, acid functional group. The second carbon is the alpha carbon, third carbon is the beta carbon. Okay, so carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. Okay, alpha beta unsaturated acid, right? Cinnamic acid is the name of this compound. Okay, cinnamic acid, and acetic acid also formed in the Birkin's reaction, acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Then next one important reaction, Navier-Stokes reaction. Okay, important naming reaction. Benzaldehyde condense with malonic acid in the presence of pyridine, forming cinnamic acid. Pyridine acts as a basic catalyst. So benzaldehyde condense with malonic acid. Okay, one aldehyde condense with one organic acid in the presence of pyridine, forming cinnamic acid. Okay, so alpha beta unsaturated acid, cinnamic acid, right? In this reaction, pyridine acts as a basic catalyst. Okay, benzaldehyde condense with a malonic acid. Okay, this is the malonic acid, 3 carbon malonic acid, CH2 COOH twice. Okay, malonic acid. In the presence of basic catalyst pyridine, water molecules are eliminated in the Navier-Stokes reaction. Water molecules are eliminated. One carbonyl oxygen combined with the one methylene group, methylene hydrogen in methylene group. Okay, so hydrogen comes from malonic acid. Okay, one water molecules are eliminated to forms cinnamic acid. Okay, cinnamic acid or alpha beta unsaturated acid, right? So in this intermediate, carbon monoxide are eliminated due to heating of this compound. One carbon dioxides are eliminated to forms cinnamic acid. Okay, cinnamic acid, right? Name of this compound, cinnamic acid or alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. Okay, alpha beta unsaturated acid. So especially cinnamic acid is the name of this product. Thank you, students. See you next class.